Are you a student looking for ways to earn extra income in 2025? In this video, we'll explore 3 exciting side hustles that are not only lucrative, but also flexible enough to fit into a student's busy schedule. From creating faceless content to reselling luxury items and offering online coaching, these opportunities have the potential to transform your financial future. Let's dive in and learn from the success stories of individuals who have mastered these hustles. The first side hustle is creating faceless short-form content, a strategy that has skyrocketed in popularity thanks to platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Meet Daniel Bitton, a content creator who earns over $500,000 a month by producing engaging videos without ever showing his face. The secret lies in leveraging trending topics, captivating visuals, and concise storytelling. Whether it's educational content, entertainment, or niche tutorials, faceless videos allow creators to remain anonymous while still building massive audiences. As a student, you can start by identifying a topic you're passionate about, using free or affordable editing tools, and consistently posting high-quality content. With dedication and creativity, faceless content creation could become your ticket to financial independence. Next, let's talk about reselling luxury items, an increasingly popular side hustle that combines entrepreneurship with a keen eye for value. Ben Gallagher has mastered this craft, earning over $300,000 a month by sourcing high-end products like designer handbags, watches, and sneakers, and reselling them for profit. The process involves finding items at discounted prices through thrift stores, online marketplaces, or exclusive sales, and then marketing them to buyers who are willing to pay a premium. As a student, you can start small by researching brands, learning pricing trends, and building trust with potential customers through platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or Instagram. While it requires some upfront investment and negotiation skills, the rewards can be substantial if you stay committed and develop expertise in the luxury resale market. Finally, there's online coaching, a side hustle that's perfect for students with specialized knowledge or skills. Jack Jefferson, for example, earns over $10,000 a month by offering virtual coaching sessions focused on gym gains and fitness transformation. If you have expertise in areas like fitness, academic tutoring, or even personal development, you can monetize your skills by creating tailored programs and connecting with clients online. Platforms like Zoom, Skype, or dedicated coaching apps make it easy to conduct sessions from anywhere. To succeed, focus on building credibility through testimonials, sharing free content on social media, and offering personalized solutions to your clients' needs. Online coaching allows you to make a meaningful impact while earning money on your own schedule. These 3 side hustles, faceless content creation, luxury item reselling, and online coaching, are just a glimpse of the opportunities available to students in 2025. Each offers unique advantages, from scalability to flexibility, and can be tailored to your interests and skills. Whether you're looking to pay off tuition, save for your future, or simply enjoy financial freedom, these side hustles have the potential to help you achieve your goals. So take inspiration from Daniel, Ben, and Jack, and start exploring the possibilities today.